Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a very easy 5-minute makeup tutorial using only 4 products. So this is that super quick makeup routine you need to do right before you head out the door, in the morning, before work, before school, whatever it is. This is only going to use 4 steps. These are the only 4 steps you need for a quick look. If this is your first time watching my videos, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mina and I make videos related to beauty and skincare, and if that sounds like something you're interested in, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So I did say this is going to be a 5-minute makeup tutorial, but the video is probably going to end up a little longer because I want to explain some stuff that I'm doing in between. So I am going to time myself and I'm going to make sure that the time it takes to apply the products does not take more than 5 minutes, but the video might be longer because I want to talk. So like I said, this look has 4 steps and the first one is going to be brows. I think over the past few years, everyone realized the importance of doing their brows. Brows are really important for framing the face, and even if brows are the only thing you do, it can really make a big difference in making you look alive in the morning. I have naturally pretty full brows. I know some people it takes more time to do their brows, some people it takes less, but what I usually do is use my NYX eyebrow pencil, which I raved about in my last video. I know the outside of my brows are pretty full and thick, so I just kind of like to add some color in the insides and even it out. I'm gonna time myself actually doing it. I haven't actually tried out this routine to check that it'll be 5 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it will be. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, 30 seconds so far. I have kind of asymmetrical brows, like one kind of droops lower than the other. I know, I mean, if you notice it in the videos, it is what it is, but so we're just gonna brush it out and cool. So we are at 58 seconds, pretty good. So we have 4 minutes left, which should be plenty of time. So brows are done. I know depending on your individual face, you may take longer or you may take less time to do your brows, but that's gonna be step 1. Step 2 is going to be the base. And the reason I'm saying these in steps and not products is that there are multiple ways that you can choose to do your base. One option, which my friend does really well, is just to take concealer and conceal whatever parts of the face that you feel you need some coverage in. If I was going to do that, I would do my under eyes, probably a little bit around my lips, and a little bit on my chin. First, I would probably take a color corrector and dab it in those areas, and then I would take a concealer that is my skin tone, put it on there and blend it out. My friend does that and it works really well for her. Like, I can't even tell that she's wearing makeup, but I don't have a concealer in my shade. I only have brightening concealers that are shades lighter. So I'm just gonna do another way, which is just to take some foundation and apply it all over your face, just to kind of even out the complexion a little. So I guess if you go the concealer route, you'll get more targeted coverage, but I think my skin is at a point right now where I would benefit from coverage all over, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see how long this takes me. I'm hoping for no more than 2 minutes because I want a minute each for the last 2 steps. So I'm gonna shoot for 2 minutes. Just the blending that's gonna take the most time, and I didn't really use as much as I would maybe if I was doing a more heavier, like glam type of look. Okay, maybe I didn't use enough at all. Okay, we'll see. It's always easier to add more later. So we're at 1 minute 36, so I can go until 3-ish minutes. Oh, okay. Forehead is really cleared up. I had a lot of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and stuff there, but I'm glad to see that it's really clearing up. So I have a decent layer of coverage right now. I don't want to add too much more. I want this to be rather quick and natural, so I'm just gonna let it be. Just make sure it's blended. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. So we are at 2 minutes, 37 seconds, not bad. So that was the base. So you can do either the concealer route or the foundation route, or if you have really good skin, like, don't bother doing this step. Like, don't use more product than you need to use, you know? I've been watching a lot of Robert Welch videos, and this is like his main philosophy. Like, you know, build up the product and don't use more than you need. So if you have good skin, like, skip this step, it's fine. So step number 3 is going to be either blush or bronzer. So basically something that will add dimension to your face, because when we add something like foundation or concealer, it kind of flattens out any natural contours or shadows or any natural color that you may have. So step 3 would be to bring that dimension back by using either a blush or a bronzer. I've been really into blush lately, so I think I'm gonna go for a blush. For my birthday, my best friend got me the mini Rare Beauty set, and if you're into makeup, I'm sure you've heard the Rare Beauty liquid blushes are really good, and I tried this a few times and I really liked it. So it's the liquid blush in the shade Love. Since I'm using a blush, I would be putting it like right here and right here. I actually want to do like a in-depth video on how to do base makeup. That's gonna be coming up soon. But if I was doing bronzer, I would want to put it on my temples and kind of bring it down like this. But I'm just gonna be doing blush, so I'm just gonna put some dots of liquid blush here and then blend it out with my brush. So we are at 2 minutes 30 seconds, not bad at all. So I'm gonna hit start again and let's see how long it takes. So this blush is actually really pigmented. Like, I only need to put a dot and it shows up pretty well, I would say. Okay, anytime I say that, I feel like sometimes it just disappears. Can I add more? I'm at 3.5 minutes. I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I'm afraid this side's gonna be too much already, but let's see. So it's better to just start light because you can always apply more, but taking off product is way more difficult. So when in doubt, just start slow. You can slowly build up product whenever you want. Okay, so 4 minutes on the dot. Exciting. So that was step 3, and then the last step is gonna be mascara. And I guess this is kind of optional, but I feel like if you wear foundation, your eyes just kind of look washed out if you don't define them at least with a little bit of mascara. So that's gonna be the last step for me. I'm actually gonna curl my lashes as well. So curling lashes, which is even more optional, and then mascara. So let's do it. Okay, we did great. The time is 4:36, so that is the look. We did it in 4.5 minutes, just something really easy, really simple, and something really natural that you can just do in the morning. I've realized recently that doing some kind of routine in the morning when you're getting ready, whether it's just skincare or a little bit of makeup like this, it really helps start off the day right with spending time on yourself. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. I know I definitely do a look like this very often. I think it's very doable and very beginner friendly as well because it's literally using 4 steps that don't require too much precision. And going back to the blush thing, I do really want to do a video, like a more in-depth tutorial on how to do base makeup because I've been learning a lot of things about how to do makeup for different face shapes and placement of blush, bronzer, and highlighter, that kind of thing, which I feel like needs to be more well known and more popular. So stay tuned for that and let me know in the comments down below if that's something you are excited to see or not. I'm doing it either way, so stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.